How to add a signature in Yahoo Mail. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. If you want to add a signature to your Yahoo Mail but don't know how to do it, then this video is right for you. Firstly, go to any browser you have and type www.yahoo.com. Make sure that you are logged in here. Now, this type of interface will appear on your screen, from which you have to tap on the message box-like icon in the upper right corner. Again, click on the gear shift icon in the top right corner. Press on More Settings, and you will be directed to this homepage. Here, you will see different options on the left side, from which you have to tap on the Writing Email option. Now, tap on the Signature option and enable it. Here, you have to add your signature as per your preference. It can be any text, links, or anything you want. And that's it. This is how easily you can add a signature in your Yahoo Mail. If you find this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.